What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. But before we do anything else, before we move on, I just want to say that we have a Facebook group, Six Man Podcast dash Benchmob. Sali kayo. We're at 1.3k members. Will be great to have it at 2k then as our next goal. And the reason you clicked on this video, let's now move on, is because of this the semifinals. Day one recap in an amazing double header between TNT Tropang 5G up against the Meralco Bolts. And then we got the Barangay Hinebra San Miguel up against Rain Shine and Lasso Painters. Both games really, really entertaining, no? Let's first start with TNT winning 94 to 89. At I just want to point this out, no? I'll share my screen para dire-diretso na tayo. I just want to point out that Ball with 8 assists. There was an article earlier, past week or 2 weeks ago, that Sina Calvin of Tana and the rest of the TNT guys had like a closed door session with him that they told him that to trust the locals. And ever since that week now or after that talk, he just started to pass the ball more and trust them. And this is the perfect time for TNT to peak with Manute Ball or with Ball na lang. We don't need to censor. We can
It's
say
Manute
ball.
Ball, bro.
Yeah, it's ball Manute Ball, 'di ba? Pero to have the 8 assists is really great to see along with 6 blocks. And iba yung ano niya ngayon. Iba na talaga yung demeanor niya compared to the first week, even to the third week in the PBA. He's completely flipped it.
Yeah. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, dude. Uh, Tonight, I feel like the thing everybody that we all need to talk about tonight is imports, dude.
Yeah, it's an
Whoever
import
your
night.
import
Import
is,
night.
whoever your import is matters, dude. Bol came out, almost got a triple double if I'm remembering it correct. Almost got a quadruple double, in
Quadruple
fact.
nga yung sa blocks nila.
Yeah, he came out first quarter. He was ready, willing to play. He wanted to play. He wanted to go all at it. He was going to go all out for it. And then so they got a big lead in the first quarter. They were up 11, I think, at the end of the first. And you know who didn't come to play today? Marvin Jones. Marvin, diba? Marvin Bates.
Yeah, to his standards 22 and 14 lang, pero 9 for
Bro, he
24.
he did not
He
come
was
out to play.
checked. He was
Dude,
checked.
he was missing some really makeable shots. I think you can tell na medyo baka in his head because of Bowl. Obviously, the stats will say na he played decent. 22 points, 12 rebounds. That's good. But brother, when you watch the game, aside from in the first quarter, he was absolutely useless. In the fourth quarter, it feels like he was just making concession baskets na lang yun eh. The ones that they were giving up, they're giving up the wide open dunks and all that. Brother, he ended up at 9 for 24. You can't shoot. That's terrible shooting from your import. And you only lost by 5 points if you're Meralco with him playing that way. That's not terrible, right? So,
May silver
uh,
lining, yeah.
brother, imports are the topic. Even later when we go to the second game sa Hinebra Ross, it'll matter when we talk about Justin Brownlee and Jalen Johnson, diba? But in this game mismo, imports mattered a lot. Bol was much better than Marvin Jones. Bol wanted it more than Marvin Jones, and it helped a lot. Na yun nga, like you said a while ago, the TNT locals came to play today. RR Pogoy was man possessed. He was matchup hunting Aaron Black, CJ Cancino,
Game
Brick
1
Man.
RR Pogoy, no? Usually, midway
Yeah.
pa ng series yan eh.
Bro, kahit sinong ilagay mo on RR kanina, bro, matchup hunting siya. I like it. That if that's the game plan for TNT, man. If you're not gonna put Newsome on Pogoy, um, he has a mismatch against basically everybody. Maybe not Bong Quinto, maybe not Jansen Rios, but then you can't put a Cancino on him. You can't put a Brickman on him. You can't put a Black on him. It has to, wow. But it has to be a legitimate big-bodied person. And in general, yung pamatay nung game na to for me was fourth quarter stretch. Calvin of Tana had a good fourth quarter stretch. They were down one. He hit a three-pointer. They're up two. Right after that, he got the assist from Bol, put it up to four. Then they were up six after Pogoy made a shot. He made another three to put it up to nine. Calvin of Tana hit the big shots in that fourth quarter. That's already, that's 7 points out of his 14, all in that one little stretch. And that kind of, for me, that absolutely won them the game.
Mr. Esben.
Um,
Hey,
too many
hey,
weapons.
are you okay?
Too many weapons for
He's not
no,
okay.
not really.
He's
Not really.
At least he's honest, eh,
Too
no?
many
No,
weapons
I'm not okay. I'm not
for
okay.
Okay,
TNT.
I'm
You're
okay.
right, Mario. Good stretch by Calvin the fourth. Hit his first three-pointer dun sa run na yun, yung kumawala talaga sila. Although, Meralco still made it a game. But in the end, man, it's just the way the bracket works, di ba? Hindi nga natin napag-usapan yung pag-advance ng TNT versus LX, di ba? I mean,
Our bad,
at
by the
this
way.
point, by the way, real quick, we're really sorry kasi hindi namin napag-usapan yung
Oo.
quarterfinals
Wala.
sa Saturday. But,
Schedule talaga.
uh,
Schedule conflict.
It was a
yeah,
Yeah.
crazy busy week,
um,
guys.
whenever LX gets a twice to beat advantage, they automatically uh,
Lose it.
should be disrespected. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
autumn.
Nobody should believe in NLEX anymore. And, you know, it's um it just so happened that TNT is the best the better team against NLEX. TNT is the better team against Meralco. It doesn't help that your import does not play well in
Yeah.
game one. I mean, after being, kind of consistent in all conference long, pero hindi
He's like
rin
an
talaga siya yung
80%
go-to guy
Jalen
nila eh.
Johnson. Itong Marvin Jones.
Yeah. I would say he's 105% Tony Bishop. I think that's a more accurate description.
Not bad.
Nadamay pa si Tony
Um,
Hey,
Bishop.
who also played
Hinebra
for
Tony
Meralco.
Bishop. We have to give respect to Meralco. Tony Bishop wasn't that bad, man.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, bro. It doesn't matter. They both look the same to
He's
me.
salty tonight, Mario.
Um,
Let him be.
Alright. I'll let it slide. I'll
both
let it
look the
slide.
same to me. Pero man, when TNT needs a basket, they have guys to go to eh. Guys, not just a guy to go to, guys to go to. Pogoy of Tana, Heading was the best player of the game. He
He
played
played very
well.
well.
Remember, he struggled in game one against NLEX, not today.
Siya player of the
And then,
game. Si Heading.
tin-
Yeah.
yeah. And then, si Castro only had 1 point. What's the chance of Jason Castro scoring 10 or more points in game two? Very, very high. So, they're the most complete team right now left in the semis. I was wrong about what I said na it's Ginebra, but it's actually really TNT. Bol is the front runner to be the best import of the conference. Good luck to you getting those media votes. You've been ignoring them for the whole conference.
I think he'll still
Pero,
get them pa naman.
it's
Kahit paano.
no, yeah, I'm just saying. Pero it's just that when I'm sorry, in the clutch, I'm gonna side with TNT. Pag tambakan, there's a bigger chance that it's TNT. So how can Meralco beat TNT? I don't know. And by the way, I'm just so happy. Meralco, again, you've been screwing our electricity bill. You deserve to get swept, actually. You deserve to get swept by TNT. And I'll be
Nagtaas pa ng
I'll not
prices,
be
di ba?
happy.
Alam ko, nagtaas na ata ng,
Right?
ng
Right?
kilowatts.
Man,
Oo.
please Meralco, hold your horses, man, with these electricity bills. Pero you deserve it. You deserve this loss. You probably deserve a game 2 loss either. Pero after that, probably I'm gonna err on the side of caution na maybe mas mahirap kalaban yung TNT, but I'm not gonna be sad if Meralco loses because we lose when Meralco wins. That's all I'm saying. But yeah,
Uh,
TNT is the better team.
so guys, we apologize if that was a little too blunt or a little too straightforward. He's not in the best of moods
I'm
right
just
now.
I agree
But
though.
I'm
Ako rin
just saying.
nagbabay ng
bro,
electricity So medyo
ito
naiinis din ako.
Right?
but Graham isn't wrong, man. Castro, you're not only gonna get 1 point from Jason Castro. That's a far cry. BGR, I don't know what's happening with BGR. I don't know why he's not playing um great basketball. It could be the foul trouble every game.
Considering
He's
fit
not,
nga siya with Bol Bol Fit siya
yeah,
Bol Bol, to be honest.
but then like he's the one defending yung kabilang import eh.
Yeah, papagod din, no? He's really just
Yeah.
focused on
Like
defense.
that's his job. He doesn't have to score. He doesn't have to rebound. His job is to literally what's this called? Is to literally is to just defend the other import. For the first time in his career, he doesn't have to deal with Cliff Hodge or whatever. He's only
Hmm.
dealing with Marvin Jones. And speaking of Marvin Jones, as we go to the Meralco side, he had led the team in scoring, yes. That's cool. But again, he felt like he wasn't there this game. It felt like he was not in this game. And other people did not feel like they were in this game. CJ Cancino cannot only shoot the ball 9 times, man. Nine
Yeah.
times for the number two option, number one
He's
option.
number 2 option kapag
Number 2.
import conference. It's
Yeah,
number 1 pag
bro.
all locals. Well, 1-2
Exactly.
with Newsome.
Really?
1-2 with Newsome pala.
Okay.
Feeling ko mas number one option nga si Cancino kaysa kay Newsome.
At it's for the past few conferences, no, the past two
Yeah.
parang ganun, yeah.
Your star is still Newsome. But then, yung first option mo on offense, I think is Cancino. Kasi
No, first shot maker mo.
offensively, Newsome yun. Tapos, just purely purely offense, it's probably Cancino. Dude, Newsome only took 6 shots. Cancino only took 9 shots. These are not the proper numbers for your main guys. Gets ko naman Marvin Jones or Marcel. It's Marvin, right? I'm not going
It's
crazy.
Marvin. It's Marvin
Sorry,
Jones.
I don't know why I don't know why I keep thinking it's Marcel.
Marvin. Baka may...
It's not Marvin.
Yeah, it's Marvin. It's
Yeah.
Marvin. It's Marvin.
Okay. I know that he's obviously imports get the most shots, man. But you gotta have more opportunities for Cancino and Newsome. A lot of this can be TNT's defense, very strong defensively. Ang TNT, they have one of the best defensive systems in the league, if you ask me. And it doesn't help that Bol had how many blocks? 6 blocks today.
6 blocks pa. And
Yeah,
he was passing the
Bol
ball.
had 6
He was
blocks.
passing the ball.
You know, this
Bro,
is the
not
hard
only
part.
yung sorry, I was just about to add, not only 6 blocks, man, pero yung mga binabother niyang tira,
Exactly.
more than 6.
Ang dami
Yeah.
ngayon. Haba eh.
And dude, it's not even just that. Like, people will say na, oh, some of these are goaltends. It's really hard sa mga Wembanyama or bowl type of players, yung mahahaba talaga. Yung di mo sure kung asan yung apex ng bola eh. Sometimes with these type of guys. Kasi sa other players who have shorter arms, who aren't as tall, halata pag pababa na yung bola, di ba? Dito medyo di mo halata kasi it's really hard to read. But I get where
Kasi
the
bro,
concern
kahit pababa na yung bola, pataas pa si Bol eh. Which is really funny. Alam mo yun, di ba dapat naturally hatakin ka na ng gravity pababa. Si Bol
Yes.
pataas pa rin siya. Yeah. So,
that's right.
7'3". He's 7'3".
Well, he's 3, yeah.
No, he's 7.25. It doesn't mean 7'3",
Well, with
guys.
shoes, siguro 3. Anyway.
0.25
Yeah, with
doesn't
shoes,
mean
yeah.
3. That's not how it works.
All right, Perry Roosevelt.
No. Like, in terms of the math, that's not how it works.
Hindi, baka
know.
yan, wala pang
I know.
sapatos. Anyway.
What? No.
Yeah,
You're not getting my point, bro.
Bro.
I'm just saying.
Come on.
Anyway. Kasi,
Come on.
anyway.
Come on.
But there was one sequence na medyo maalat for Meralco yun. Yung airball the jumper. He's scared to shoot free throws, by the way.
Yeah.
Like, he was scared to shoot. You can tell. Obviously, man, at that point, you hold the ball, diba? You hold the ball, you get ready to be fouled. I don't know why he took the jumper right away. I think because he missed. Can you check his free throw percentage? He was
Sama, 5 for 13. That's the only bad part here.
Yeah, I'd be scared to shoot free throws too. You know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't want to shoot the free throws either. And the ball was in Marvin Jones'.
Marvin.
Yeah.
Yung 4-pointer.
Yeah. The ball was no, iba to.
He's
The ball
usually a
was in Marvin
70%
Jones'
shooter
hands
naman,
already.
yeah.
Tapos,
Yung sa scramble.
Yeah, yung sa scrambles. Nakuha pa ni Oftana yun. And then, Oftana missed 2 free throws, which is shocking. Oftana missed 2 free throws. And after all that, man, Marvin Jones, although not the best of shots, had a chance to cut it to 1. It was just short. But that was really close. That's why
Scary yun. Scary yun, di ba? This is scary eh.
Scary talaga yun, man.
Lalo na sa'yo.
Lalo na sa akin, man. Scary talaga yun. But here, medyo you can see the depth of TNT talaga. They have those guys who can come off the bench and drop a lot eh. Heading. Oftana doesn't even have to have a good game. He only needs to have 1 good quarter. And all of a sudden, TNT's up by 9, diba? It's always just something like that. There's always somebody na pwedeng pumatok for TNT. I think that's what Graham said kanina. But heading into game 2, I feel like if you're Meralco, you have to think about it in the same sense na I could have we played a really bad basketball game. Our import played not a great game. We had barely anything coming from JV Mocon and what's it called, Aaron Black. You're fine. Do I think you win the series? Probably not. But you're not in a terrible spot. It's 1-0.
Yeah. You're right. they did not really play good basketball other than Bong Quinto.
He's been playing good ball.
Nobody, yeah, well, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na, oh, ito maganda yung nilaro. Like, look at the numbers. Those are pedestrian numbers. And, you know, Newsome only took 6 shots, man. 6.
Hindi nga pwede yun, brother.
Cannot happen.
Konti nga lang
Cannot
talaga.
happen. Yeah, sobrang
Literally
konti niyan,
cannot
man.
happen.
Nakontihan na tayo kay Cancino na 9. Newsome won them a championship and only took 6 shots. So, you know, it's probably the defense of TNT rin na hindi nila binibigyan ng room si Newsome and si Cancino. But I believe in Meralco na kaya pa silang pigain. It was a 3-point game after the Bong Quinto 4-pointer, di ba? The same way happened sa Ginebra after the Scottie 4-pointer, which we'll talk about. Pero, you know, mas mahirap kasi talunin yung TNT dahil they literally have a monster na, alam mo yun, yung iaangat niya lang yung bola, wala ka nang magagawa.
Yeah.
Di ba? Gine-jelly niya na lang yung mga layup. So, it's so
Man,
crazy.
shout out to Brandon Bates, brother.
Yeah, he's
You're
trying his
trying
best.
your hardest, man.
He's doing his best naman talaga, yeah.
You're doing your you're trying your hardest, and I respect you so much for it because you can see it. He is trying his absolute best to stop Bol Bol. It's a hard task, obviously, because you know it's Bol
He's
Bol.
7'3", moves
He's
like
7'3".
moves like a
He
guard.
can shoot, moves like a guard, long as hell. It's hard, but he's trying his hardest, man. You can see it naman talaga. So yeah, that's all this.
Good job, TNT. Again,
1-0.
congratulations on advancing to the semis. Di namin na pag-usapan. But, you know, you faced the team that everybody wanted to face.
Yeah, nag-aagawan for that
So,
1
tingin mo ba
versus 8
na-gets na
spot.
ni Bol, sabi ni Bol Bol, kaya pala. Like, di ba sabi niya nung end nung game against
Yeah,
Ginebra, he was like, they wanted to lose, man. Why did they want to lose?
Yeah.
Nagets na ba niya?
Gets niya na siguro. Siguro
I think
nakausap na siya.
He now understands.
Yeah, like,
I think he now
I understand it now.
I understand it now.
Di ba ganun ang accent niya? Talagang amboy na amboy siya eh. People were really surprised with his accent. I'm like, he really grew up in the States. Like, stateside talaga yan. Anyway,
I mean, I
let's
don't
now
know,
move
di mo siya
on
nagpapa-interview.
to the Rain or Shine Barangay Ginebra game, 115-111. This was a classic game from start to finish. I really enjoyed. Grabe yung, especially that fourth quarter, there was a point Ginebra was leading, and then in just like a blur, Rain or Shine is up 111-107. Diba? So dire-diretso na yun from there. Pero grabe, it was a game that we were really glued to the game. All three of us were following it. But yeah, let's first start with the winners muna, no? Rain or Shine, the last of Painters, Jalen Johnson was a man possessed, I think from first to fourth. Mostly in the fourth. Really did his damage. 15 for 28. Michael Jonard, 25. Mga Clarito games that you see in the playoffs, no? He'll stink it up in the regular season for 4 or 5 straight games. And then there will be these games na random na he has 25, 6, 2, and 1. With Mamuyak also showing up in the fourth. And also, this is Karakot. This is the Andre Karakot experience, guys. We have seen it happen and time again. And Adrian Nokum
Lakas si
with 16
Bella.
points. Oh yeah, oo nga pala. Wala yung buff. But
Wala
they
yung buff
still
niya.
won without the buff.
Wala yung buff niya, man. Hey, Graham, you wanna go first? You want me to
Yeah,
do
Graham,
it?
let's go. Rain or Shine muna, Graham.
You want me to do it? You want me to do it? Or are you not gonna speak in this part? Or what's up? What's the plan here?
No, I mean, I blame Ice of Buckets for this
Oh, he's
loss.
blaming eyes.
The Ice was-
He's blaming eyes. Eyes, I know you're watching
I
this,
mean-
brother. You heard. He's turning on you right now.
Nasa kotse si Ice
Yeah.
ngayon. Ay, gago. To.
He's turning on you
I mean-
right now.
I mean,
Man.
he
Go ahead.
piggybacked what I said. I think it's Ginebra in 5. Sabi niya, actually, I can see it happening in Ginebra in 5. Bro, you could have said any other word and magbaback out ako sa Ginebra in 5
Gaslighter ka
because you're the
talaga.
more logical fan. But, no, you
Eyes, bro.
back
he's-
me up. But, you know, it's a good game. It's a good game. It's a treat. At least, di ba? At least whatever happens in this series, nobody will say, nagbibigay yan. These two teams will never give an inch.
Independent
They'll
yan.
never give a game.
Yan.
Yep.
Do you guys
And-
think
and if
Coach Ying and Coach Tim like each other?
I don't. I think they're acquaintances, but they won't
I
have
feel
dinner
like
together.
There's a little tension
They
there.
respect
It's the
each other,
playoffs.
yeah.
They respect each other. Yeah. Pero would you
I
would you
res-
say na mag-hangout sila sa labas? Hell no. I don't think so.
I mean,
Yeah.
yeah. Well, first of all, naturalize that man right there. Naturalize
Who?
him.
There's been talks,
Jalen
Jalen, di ba?
Johnson.
There's been weeks ago na
Brother,
pero kakano lang kay
naturalize.
Benny eh.
Yeah. Dude, he is good at basketball. He is good at basketball. And I will say this, dude. Down 5, last 3 minutes, I think, the
Grabe yun.
balls, the balls to take a 4-point shot after RJ Abarientos just hit a step back or whatever basket.
He was
The
possessed,
balls,
bro. Fourth quarter, he was possessed.
dude, he was hitting three. He hit a three. JB answered the three of his own.
Siya rin.
Uh,
Ako rin.
Jalen hit a three again. He never missed, and then guess what? Jalen did. Hit another three. Brother, Jalen Johnson
Insane.
is insane as a shooter, man. He's an insane shooter. Uh, naturalize him. I don't care. Naturalize him. Jonathan Clarito, Nico mentioned it kanina, man. These are his games. He playoff
Naturalize him.
games.
Naturalize Clarito.
Oh, yan si Michael Jordan. Then Michael Jordan.
Guam,
Like,
naturalize this man.
dude, these are his type of games. Jonathan Clarito's type of
Yeah.
games, man. And itong si Gian Mamuyak, we said it in the previous episode, the last one we recorded with
So,
Ice.
so pati quarter, yeah. Pero sabi
Yeah.
natin sa quarterfinals preview na si Mamuyak yung mga magiging X factor na
Yes.
to just randomly have these games.
Yes, because the person who will defend Mamuyak is probably not going to be the best defender, man. JB will defend Johnson or
Clarito.
Clarito. Troy will have to defend Johnson or whoever.
Clarito.
Stephen Holt would have to defend Nokum. You know what I mean? Scotty maybe should be the one on Mamuyak. Sometimes they're gonna force the mismatch onto RJ. It's hard talaga. Kasi Mamuyak yung kayang talaga pumutok against Ginebra. For some reason, dude, this guy hates Ginebra. Whenever he
Sino?
sees Ginebra, he wants to play ball. And
This
he
one
played
is-
really well today. It felt like the dagger, diba? After Clarito hit the 3-point shot in the corner. Diba? Clarito makes the three. They go down the next possession. RJ tries to make a three. And what does Mamuyak do? He just blocks it, right?
He's a
Deflects
great
it,
defender. Let's not forget that
comes
Mamuyak's
down
one of the
next
best
possession,
defenders.
mid-range jump shot. That was it. That was the dagger. I know Scotty hit a 4 after. Kaso men, at that it was already still hard to win at that point. Diba? Shout out to Ross's defense in that last 3-minute span. Last 3-4 minute span. It was just killer defense, man, and you can't do anything about it. It'll happen that way. A few bad turnovers, I guess you could call it, when Nokum got the steal. Pero, dude, this is exactly what you signed up for. This isn't gonna be a pushover series. This is gonna be exactly what everybody asked for. It's gonna be a good series, I believe. I still say Ginebra in 6. I don't think it's 5. I've never thought it was 5. But it was really good from Rain or Shine kanina.
I think yung practice ng rain or shine, parang yung practice ng signal. Alam mo yung pag nagpa-practice yung signal sa PVL, pag mga kalaban lang yung Creamline, nagdadala raw si Coach Shaq ng JBL na speaker, tas yung may chat na, let's go, Creamline, let's go, tas yung tambol. Tingin ko ganun yung practice na rain or shine. Like, 48 minutes consistent na Ginebra chant yung because they're not afraid of the crowd. Whatever happens, kahit lumayo yung Ginebra by double digits, kahit feeding mo, bibitaw na yung rain or shine at any point, they just don't. They just did not. Jalen Johnson, man, wala siyang paki sa score. He just plays his game. Di ba?
Yeah.
Up 13, I don't care. It's my game. Down 7, 7 minutes to go, I don't care. I'm gonna take these 4-pointers. Wala talaga siyang paki, man. And nilalaro niya talaga yung crowd. Like, he's dancing pag nakaka-score, di ba? And hindi siya pikon, which is very, very nice. Kasi
Yeah,
may
hindi siya
mga
pikon.
ganun import na front runner. Yeah, may ganun import na front runner na, okay, sige, lamang kami, I'll play with you. Pag lamang na kayo, magagalit na ako. No, he's not like that. He's a very nice guy. And they found I should say, their import to stay, si Jalen
Oh, yeah.
Johnson.
Not even close, dude.
Yeah, hindi na siya pwede pag Governor's Cup eh. So, they have to find another guy like him. Pero, in this conference, other than yung bad 2-week stretch na, he's been a top 2 import in this conference. Jonard Clarito, I do not think Jonard Clarito will have another 25-point game in games 2 and 3.
Back to 6 or 7
Pero
tomorrow. Ay, in the next game.
yeah, but still, Jonard Clarito, yung impact niya sa loob, God, he only has 6 rebounds. Feeling ko mas marami siya sa 6
Dami niya
rebounds.
rin, no? Kikiti-kiti yan siya. Larito.
Yeah, yung mga ganun niya, yun kasi yung identity ng Ross. Yun din yung identity ng Ross with Paul Lee before. Yun din yung identity ng Red Bull before na anyone can be a threat sa loob. That's why players love Coach Yang Giao. I bet you, man. I bet you there's gonna be an Antona Sistio game in this
Oh, yeah.
series. It's probably
It's
gonna
coming.
come.
12 points next
Always
game.
is.
12. It's coming.
Yeah.
0-4-4 eh.
You can bank on it. Parang ano yan, pag July tag-ulan na sa Pinas, it's gonna happen. It is
Game
gonna
2 or
happen
3
in
yan.
Antona Sistio game.
12-15 points Antona
Something like
Sistio in
that.
16 minutes.
Yep. Yeah. Ano yan, in a game that really doesn't matter. Parang gano'n yung
Doesn't matter.
mga game 3
Yung
na.
mga Anton Asistio has his games when it's yung tambak na. Like
okay.
Ross is already leading by 20. Tapos parang you're making a comeback.
3 straight
And then
threes.
all of a sudden,
Yeah.
Asistio
Antona Sistio. Nah.
buries you with threes. And
Yep.
all the way down 25.
Exactly.
That's how he does it
And-
every single time, dude.
And nakikita ko yung sa game 2, 5 p.m., MOA, traffic, first game, parang nobody's watching live. Alright, it's my time to shine against Ginebra. I don't think they're winning game 2. But it's gonna be a long series. I was wrong. And that's fine. Rare miss in the playoffs, but it happens. Pero man, malalim talaga sila. Wala silang takot. Take note, Kalen Chongson did not play this game.
Yeah, stomach
Alright.
problems.
Yep, if
Explosive
Kalen
diarrhea.
Johnson played. Yeah, explosive diarrhea. I mean, if Kalen Johnson played in this game, yikes.
Oh,
Yikes.
pero ano
Pero baka hindi
Listen,
ganun.
man,
hindi ganun
I
kasakit
believe,
yung-
I believe Kalen Chongson is the number 1 defender on Brownlee, no?
Yeah,
Is
he
he
is.
not
He
the
is.
first
Oo,
option
oo.
defender on JB?
He
Kalen
was
is the
yeah,
import
he was
stopper. The import
Yeah.
defender talaga.
So this is
Yeah, siya yung bumabantay
probably
kay Boat Right eh.
exactly. So this was probably Justin's easiest game. I think now we can kind of shift it toward Ginebra. I think
Wait lang. I would add Mike Malonzo with 12 points and 4 rebounds. Magic bonus siya for this game as well. Kasi he plays in the post. Wala mo masyadong maka-front sa kanya because all the defenders of Ginebra are focused on the other guys. So,
Yeah.
the bench guys talaga really
Yun naman
added
yung role
here.
nila man eh.
yeah,
Yun naman yung
dude,
role nila ni
And
Matay
yung
tayo,
Bulldog to, diba?
Malonzo.
Yeah, if I'm Ginebra,
Bro, di naman post-up
Um,
player si Mike nung college, diba? Ano siya eh?
Hindi.
Slasher type of guy na you
Oo,
give him the
basta
ball,
inside
he'll
player,
slash it.
yeah.
Oo. Energy type guy talaga yun si Mike. So it doesn't surprise me that he does well for rain or shine, man. That's just literally what he's built for.
bro, if I'm Ginebra,
Yes,
you look
yes,
at
sir.
you look at the numbers. Nocum shot 3 of 7 from 3, di ba? I think I'll let him shoot pa more 3-pointers if that means Jalen Johnson will get less attempts. You know what I'm saying? Kasi 6 of 11 si Jalen Johnson eh. If you give 3 of those attempts to Nocum, Ginebra will live with that. So, I think they have to let Nocum take those 3-pointers. I know he hit 3, which is masakit, pero there's a bigger chance of them winning pag pumutok si Nocum versus kay Johnson. That's just something that I thought of.
Yeah.
Seeing how Ross played in this game.
Okay.
Man.
Mario, more on Ross kung meron ka pa
Nah,
ano.
I'm good, man.
Okay, let's move on now to Barangay Ginebra San Miguel.
Bro, tignan mo naman. Just look at what currently on your screen. Look at what's currently on your screen right now. And then look at the one of Ross. Look at the one of Ross.
What are we looking at? What are we
Just
going to look at?
just scroll down to Ross. Scroll down to Ross. Look at the difference, man. Look at the difference in minutes being played by all these dudes. Brother, Ginebra is living and dying by 5 or 6 players right now. I don't
Where's Isaac
really-
go? Is he injured?
Bro, tagal.
The end.
No, it's a bad matchup.
Bad matchup.
It's a bad
Yung
matchup.
takbuhan ng
Baka
ano rin.
kung anong gawin ni Tanda Isaac go kay Isaac go, man. Like, it's gonna
Yeah.
be like, Norbert, I think, is a better matchup in this one. Kenmark, I'm surprised.
Yeah, walang Carino.
I'm a little surprised. I thought Kenmark could do something.
It's
well.
Kemark.
Oh, sorry, I keep saying Kenmark. You're right, it's Kenmark. But bro, the minutes are just really high for Ginebra players, dude.
Mapapagod
40
mo.
each from Brownlee and RJ. 35 each from Scotty and Stephen. 30 from Troy. Dude, go to the one of Ross. You won't, I don't think there are those anything close to it. Jalen has 44. Clarito has 36. The rest are pretty evenly distributed. Diba? Like
Mm.
Nokum had 30. That's it. The rest are good minutes. 18
Below
for
30.
Karakot, 15 for Santillan, 28 for Mamuyak. It's I can't say it's a depth thing kasi Ginebra has depth, but uh man, you can see it in the minutes these guys are playing. They will get tired at some point, brother. And when do you usually see when the cracks form pag pagod na yung player? Di ba lagi yan sa last 5 minutes?
Mm.
Fourth quarter?
Yeah.
That's very easily what could have happened today, man. Nards had a good game, but he only played
Maya had a good
Nay.
game.
Maya
Maya
had a
rin,
decent
okay rin.
night as well. Like,
Pero hindi
man.
masyado na-utilize. No? Talagang, that's
Bro,
it.
bakit
That's
nga hindi
why.
binalik si Maya? I may have missed a report or something, pero he played well in the second quarter. Ano ba,
Wala
ba't
namang
di siya binalik?
injury.
That's when he,
There's
No,
dude,
yeah,
none.
I
There's
know.
none.
bro, dyan
Wala
nakahabol
naman.
Pero,
dyan nakahabol yung
yeah,
Ginebra.
in the
Quality
second
sports
quarter.
pala
So,
to.
there may have been a report ng courtside na baka may ininda siya bigla. That's the only reason I can think of because, man, ang ganda talaga ng laro niya in the second quarter. That's probably the best Maya game I've seen since the Converge game in
In last conference?
2025. Yeah,
Last conference.
yung hit niya yung 3 free throws. That's
Yeah.
probably the happiest I've seen Maya on the court. I mean, me being happy. That's what I mean. So, it's a depth. It's not a, you're right, it's not a depth thing. Pero kasi si Coach Tim talaga in the playoffs, sobrang iksi na talaga ng rotation niya. You're lucky, Nards Pinto, you got 10 minutes. Ralph Ku, man. Si Ralph Ku talaga yung magic bonus sa atin, bro. If he takes and makes his shots, we're a hard team to beat.
Yeah.
Pero in this game, he was only 1 of 4, 1 of 2 from 2, na make a 3-pointer. It is what it is, man. We take the wins, we take the losses. We at least, like I said, it's gonna be a great series. Pero I think give Japet a chance, and this
Jalen, no?
probably me being
12 minutes lang
blasphemous.
siya, no?
Oh, yeah, this me being blasphemous because I've taken shots at Japet.
Pero kailangan nyo
You
siya
know,
ngayon,
since
more
I
than
joined the
ever.
pod. Yeah. You
More
trust
than
him
ever,
against Junmar, you can trust him against Jalen Johnson. Diba?
You're not wrong, man. That's actually, dude. I'm not being mean to Troy. Ha? I think Troy played actually a good game of basketball.
Yeah, he did play a good game.
But there are moments where I feel like ang tagal nating naka-small ball na hindi kailangan. Like, I get it, Troy can play center. But there has to be a time when you put in an actual center. A Japet, a Norbert, you know what I mean? It's kind of hard to force Troy to play the 5 the whole time. I get it. That's how Coach Tim has always operated, and I'm not gonna doubt him. But that's just my opinion as a fan. There are some times when you don't need to play Troy at center, man.
Yeah. I know. Pero baka pang matchup din kasi siya kay Clarito eh. You know, like Troy and Clarito, you can see some, resemblance of Clarito kay Troy.
Troy's just
Except
taller.
mas bata lang si Clarito. Yeah, you're right. Pero man, pag ganun kasing ginawa mo, you're putting Brownlee kay Johnson na eh. Or pag nag-switch, Brownlee's gonna be on Johnson. Sobrang load na yun para kay JB. This guy is 36. And he's still playing 43 minutes coming off a bad hamstring. Diba? So, he can only carry you so much. And you're right,
38
Mario.
si
it's
Brownlee.
38! Brownlee's
38.
38. Oh my God. Alright.
Hindi naabot na sa Olympics, bro. Kung maabot man tayo sa Olympics, hindi na siya
Hindi
pwede.
na.
40.
Well, first of all, we won't make it. Pero man, fatigue na yun in the end. Fatigue na yung nangyari doon. Like, the shots of RJ were short. Diba? Brownlee, yung 4-pointer niya was short. If hindi na hit ni Scotty yung 4-pointer, it's probably not much of a talking point in the fourth quarter.
Yeah.
Pero,
Hey, Scotty,
I still
man, I
believe
hope
in
your
this
head is
team.
okay, by the way.
Grabe yung
Yeah,
bukol,
bro.
no? Laki.
Bro,
Grabe.
laki ng
Yeah, bro.
bukol niya.
Like,
Parang,
pop sa TV, di ba?
yeah, dude, it's like
Looks like a
he had
ball.
he had
Golf ball.
he had his own gram.
Actually.
Yeah.
He
Alright.
had his
Ay,
own Graham.
Yeah, you know,
Tapos
Yeah,
ang ano
man.
niya, it was shining. So ko, wow,
Yeah,
ang laki niya
he
na.
had his own Graham on it. It was
talaga
crazy.
bro.
Pero sakit nun sakit nung sapatos ni Nard.
Masakit
Ni,
yun.
ni Jonard.
Ni Jonard.
Sakit
Yeah.
nun.
Parang ano, no? Parang nasipa ka ng kabayo ata yung pag ganun, no? Yung
Pag
ganung
ganun yung paa niya,
action.
di ba?
Because,
It was
yeah.
I don't think he did it, but he
he
didn't
did it
do
on
it on purpose.
purpose. Hindi siya
For sure,
nakatingin.
he didn't do it on
No.
purpose.
Wala. Hindi
Parang
mo
momentum lang ata yun.
sasaktuhin.
Like, it's
Momentum
falling
yun.
down.
Nasaktuhan lang. Yung ulo niya pa.
Nasakto lang yung ulo niya.
Nasakto lang.
Dude, but that
Nandun lang
looked like it
talaga
hurt.
siya.
I'm not gonna lie. That looked like it really hurt.
Bro, it hurts. It hurts. Maramdaman niya yun ngayon, lalo talo. Maramdaman niya yun
Mas
talaga
ramdam
ngayon.
niya.
Yeah, it looks dangerous too, no? Yung ganun kalaking bukol. Parang anytime it'll pop. But,
Yeah.
you know, there's a medical team that will attend to that. All I'm saying is, I still believe in this team. My only concern is we probably played our... Actually, no. We played bad in the first quarter. We did not play a full
Yeah,
a
bad
full
yung
good
first
game.
quarter. Bad yung first quarter.
But it was really a bad first quarter. Pound for pound, I think we still beat this team. But losing without Kalen Chongson, man, masakit yun. This should have been our game. I don't know.
It was until like the last 3 minutes.
Yeah, you know.
Dude.
Yeah, fatigue na yun. Yeah.
Yeah, RJ, I think we can say talaga na RJ is
Did his
a
best.
star na talaga. Diba?
Yeah,
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
Wala ka naman
RJ
sabi
is a
kay
star
RJ
na
talaga.
talaga. Yeah, I get it. 8
I
for
live with
20.
the 8 for 20.
Yeah, like I know
live
I
with
just took a dump on Marvin Jones for shooting 8 for 22. What's the difference with RJ shooting 8 for 20?
9 for
diba?
24 si Marvin.
Same thing.
No.
I get it. I get it. Like it looks weird now. We call one a one a star, and one who's had a hard game. But then you can see it in RJ. He has it talaga. I think it's just really hard to face off against Ross's defense, dude. It's the most switchable defense in the league. You're being defended by Karakut, get a screen up, it's Nokum. You're defended by Nokum, get a screen up, it's Chongson. You get another screen, oh, it's Clarito. And then all of a sudden, yung last hurdle mo, Johnson, like, it's hard talaga to get through Rain or Shine's defense. So, I don't know how it works out. I do still think Ginebra wins in 6. That's because I'm a Ginebra fan, and I can't do anything about it. But I think I said this in the last episode with Eyes. If there's a team Ginebra will lose to, I'm glad it would be Ross. If there's one team that could win the championship, I'm glad it would be Ross. You know, like we always say it naman, diba? If it's not Ginebra, sana independent team for us, diba? For me and Graham particularly.
Yeah.
So
Dagdag
as
ko
a
lang.
coach,
Gusto ko
yeah.
makitang Ross TNT Finals kasi magkikita ulit si Jalen Johnson. Hindi, sino ba yung
Si Glenn.
Cobalt
yeah,
team?
kay Glenn.
Pero syempre, tingnan natin. It's only game 1. It's only game 1.
Yeah.
I don't want to jump
Man,
the gun and
you know
say
what?
Ross.
You know what?
No,
I have an
don't do it.
excuse for this loss.
Oh my gosh. Anong excuse mo?
I have an
Walang excuse. There's no excuse
What
here.
is it? What
Ready?
is it? What is it?
Ready?
Oh.
May props
We don't
ka?
have Jason David.
Oh, wala yung defensive superstar. Wala silang Felix
now I'm
Lemeti,
happy.
bro. Wala
Now
silang
I'm
Felix
happy.
Lemeti.
I
I
don't
don't care. Yung Felix Lemeti
You
na
don't-
starting point guard mo. You don't care?
Jason
Haven't
David.
we not had the bid
Jason.
for the past 15 games?
Ngayon lang
Yeah,
naisip
we had
na,
the
oh,
bid
I'll
for
say
a
this na
long,
recording.
Oh, wow.
Man,
Oh.
I still believe in Ginebra because pound for pound, we're still the better team. Malalim, bro.
Top
The reason
heavy
na
kayo,
mukhang
though.
malalim yung... No. The reason na mukhang malalim yung Ross, kasi lahat dun ginagamit.
That's
yung
what
Ginebra
I'm
kasi
saying, dude.
magbigat
That's
yung
what I'm
minutes eh. Yeah, exactly. That's why, I mean, I agree with you on that. Again, Japet has to play more. If he hurts us, then he hurts us. Sanay na tayo nasasaktan kay Japet. But he can't just play for 12 minutes. I don't think I saw
Pag
Japet.
25 to
Since-
30. 25 at least.
You gotta hit him
Hindi
at
ko-
least 22 minutes.
22,
At this
25.
point, This point, kasi
Mhm.
you take away 5 minutes from Troy, you give some to Japet, or take away a few minutes from Holt.
You think it's his injury na medyo bothering him pa?
Or not even
for
that,
sure,
kay
Parang
Brownlee.
oo, no?
For sure.
Yeah, could be.
He's still
Bro, but
not
not only
fully,
kay Troy,
he's not, Hindi pa siya 100% for sure,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
And I'm sure I already know it already sa comment section. People are gonna be like, "Oh, but then when you guys were making fun of him, guys, first of all, take a joke. Second, se-
First of all,
second,
by the way, I'm not joking when I'm frustrated with Japet,
Sinabi yun like, it's not a
especially
joke. Mine's not a joke.
bro, I'm trying
against
to
San
get us
Miguel.
out of it, bro. What
Invalidate
are
ka
you
niya, Mario,
doing?
just like that.
Bro,
Invalidate
I'm
ka niya.
trying to
No,
get
I
us.
mean,
What are you doing, man?
no, I
Di mo ba
mean,
nabasa yung
pagdating sa
script,
Ginebra, I'm
Graham? You didn't read
honest.
the
Oh
script?
my
I'm
God, dude,
honest.
I'm
Man,
fixing the
pero,
PR already, and you were just, oh my God, bro.
Bitter si
But
bro,
Graham
bro,
Isoler.
we know when you need a Japet. Okay,
yeah.
we're not blindly gonna hate on him. We know when you need a Japet Aguilar type of player. It's like
Mhm.
Isaac Go. We know we're not gonna use him in this series, but against Junmar Fajardo, you think we're not gonna say, "Oh, you have to use Isaac Go"? Of course we will. It's a matchup thing, and Japet is one of the better players to match up on JJ,
Jalen
at least
Johnson.
Jalen.
kahit papaano. Right? That's just the reality, man. And that's not a slide. That's not a slight on Troy. It's not a slight on
Ah,
Norbert. It's
mali.
just yeah. By the way, I feel like let's be
What?
if
Chicago
this
siya.
Jalen Johnson, if
Ooh.
rain or shine Jalen Johnson was on Atlanta, are they still in the playoffs?
No, they would have lost by 30 to New York instead of 50. Pero
He was a
man,
Hey,
Chicago
speaking,
Bull
legit,
pala. Look, oh. Chicago Bull.
he looked kind of like. Never mind, I won't say it.
Who?
By the way, random NBA thing. You all see that yung comeback nung ano,
Spurs?
Knicks.
hindi,
Ah,
yung
yung
Knicks.
Knicks
Knicks
kanina?
kanina. Oh, nyeta, man, that's bro, Cleveland, man, pack
They
your
dropped the
bags.
ball, man. They dropped the
Oh
ball
my
there. Feel ko
God.
masisweep sila sa ano na yun. Nakaka-demoralize yung mga ganun talo.
Bro, that's such a demoralizing. You're up 22 in 7
Feel ko masisweep
minutes.
sila. Masisweep sila sa ganung
What do
lagay.
you
What do
mean?
you
You
mean?
Then
New,
hate
again,
New
ah,
York
it.
last
then
year,
again, they beat
bro,
Detroit.
New York last year was up 9 with less than a minute remaining against Indiana. Natalo sila. They did not get swept.
Ah, well, true.
The Halliburton shot.
Hey,
So,
I feel like
Basihan.
naman
it's
that
game on.
let's be very real. Come on, man. There was some
What?
pixie dust, magic dust in the air with Indiana's run last year, dude.
Yeah.
I know.
Iba yung hali talaga.
I don't feel like there's no magic dust in this New York one. They look really good. Hey, rain or shine. Uh, one thing which I will always say, brother, if I'm gonna lose to somebody, I'd rather lose to Jalen Johnson. He's a fun dude. He's a fun
Yeah,
guy, bro.
that I
Oh,
understand.
he
Like,
played in the
Yung
Big
Big
Three.
Three! Big Three pala
He
siya.
oh
played
yeah,
in
that's
the
right.
Big Three. I didn't even know he
Who's
played in
that?
the
Jeff
Big
Green?
Three.
Is that Jeff Green?
That's Gerald Green.
Si
Ano, that's
Jalen to.
ano? Oh no, this
Gerald
is not
Green.
Jeff Green. This is
No, Jeff Green's still with the NBA, man. He cannot play here.
no, this is Garland Green. This is Garland Green. He's
Hindi mo
another
alam.
Green. Dude, I know.
Look, oh.
I actually watched the 3x3. I like watching 3x3 basketball. That one I don't have
Sumasayaw ba
any.
siya dyan? Sumasayaw siya dyan, si Jalen
He's a
Johnson.
very happy
I
guy.
didn't even know he played in the 3x3 this year, man.
This is
Maybe I
Michael
didn't
Beasley?
notice. Yeah, this is Michael Beasley. Maybe I didn't notice his name kasi di ko siya kilala dati pa. But hey
Born
man, that's
ready.
Lance Stephenson. That's Lance. Yeah, bro.
Si Born
Born ready.
ready.
Wow,
See, I like
that's
Jalen
crazy.
Johnson, bro. He's showing pictures of him getting scored on.
Uy, angas.
And he's
Ganito
like,
pala maging
yeah.
Jalen.
He's like, yeah, bro.
Ganito pala
Like, I
maging
got
Jalen
scored by
Johnson.
an NBA player. What do you want me to do?
Yeah.
Nice guy,
Yeah,
bro.
you're right, Mario. You're right, Mario. Na if I lose to someone, I'd rather have
Ross, right?
JJ than
Exactly.
TNT and Ball Manut Ball. You're right.
Exactly,
But
brother. If we lose,
it's gonna be painful. I think
yeah.
we go 7, man. I think we go 7.
That's
I had
alam mo yung
Lebron
ano,
in 7.
alam mo yung I'd rather lose to Victor Wembanyama than lose to Chet Holmgren and then Shea Gilgeous-Alexander. You
SGA.
know?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're
exactly.
right.
It's something like it's
You're
always
right.
something to that
Di
extent
ba
for me.
NBA player to dati? Hindi ko kilala to.
I don't know, man.
Hmm.
If you probably
Yeah.
press one of those names, it'll show up who he is. But
Wala.
dude, yeah, this ain't no big deal. One loss, it's always good.
We'll move on. We'll move on in less than 48 hours. The series is tied at 1 game apiece.
Speaking of, I saw a comment on our last video, by the way, asking for us to do an update on all of the current, what is called, lahat ng players in Japan and Korea na
Oh my
Filipino.
God.
I will say that I think, tama ba? Hindi, mali. QMB just lost in the finals. Chiba lost to Nagasaki Velka. KQ just lost in the finals as well to Will Navarro. Will Navarro is
But he
a
didn't play as
champion.
much.
Yeah, but he's still a champion. I'm not gonna
Okay,
take it away
fine.
from it. Will Navarro is a champion with KCC. Who else do we got in other
Edu?
league?
Eto.
He didn't play in
Natalo
their last
sila.
few games
Ah, he
for
didn't
Goodwood.
play.
He's injured. He's injured.
Na naman?
Uh,
Can he play for us though?
I think he can play for us. But I don't. I think he's
Bro,
injured lang now.
quick side note. Congratulations to Meralco for winning Saturday's game. Yun yung mas exciting na game eh. The Jerome Lastimosa, blunder in the end. Pero ang ganda ng laban na yun, bro.
Ang ganda nga rin
Clint
yung
Chapman
tutok
just
rin.
Bro,
graduated
if we're talking
very,
about
very
it,
early.
that was a really dumb foul, Clint. I'm sorry, brother.
I
There
know.
was there was no need for you to try and contest that shot. I think na-block na ni Zave. If I remember correctly, I think Zave already blocked it. So I
Sumabay
don't know
pa.
why he still challenged it. And yet you almost still came out with a win. You were close,
Yeah,
man. You were
because
close,
of
man.
Lastimosa.
One more player.
Ay.
One more player.
Yeah.
One more. You're one player away. Chris Kuhn. You're Chris Kuhn away. You're
Okay.
Chris Kuhn
Which
away.
you, which
When's
you
game
already
2?
have, by the way.
Friday, right? It's in 2 days. Yeah.
Yep.
Or are we
Friday
predicting
and
game
then
2?
Sunday.
Are we predicting game 2? Well,
Yep. Inebra and TNT win. Game 2.
I have the same picks as Graham.
yeah,
I
I'm
think
also Hinebra TNT. It's gonna be 1-1 for Rainer Shine Hinebra and then TNT 2-0. I think they could finish it in 5.
TNT?
TNT,
Yeah.
lagi naman 5 nila tinatapos yung Meralco.
They win.
They'll just be one
Meralco
game
will win
away
game
para
3. Meralco will win game 3. and
Meralco win
TNT
game
wins.
3 and then everyone will say, oh, look out for Meralco. And then TNT belt to us in game 4 and then TNT will come back after
Sweep,
being down
tapos na.
20 in game 5. That's it.
Exactly. Exactly. That's it.
That's
man.
how it goes.
Already
Never
planned.
Ross goes to 7. We're winning though.
I say 6. I still think Hinebra.
7. Game
Bro,
7.
of course you're gonna say 7, man. You love game 7s.
I didn't
dude.
say game 7 for TNT Meralco. Like, this kind of
Yeah,
obvious
but that's because in that one you used your brain. In that one you used your brain that time. But for
Okay.
the lost, everyone, I think it's using game 7.
Anyway,
Okay.
yan lang naman guys. Like, comment, subscribe on Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. 6-Man Podcast here with Nico, Mario, and Graham. We'll see you all on Friday. Peace.
Promise. Adios amigos.